Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to duplicate a document in Google Docs. So open up your Google Docs homepage and you're going to navigate to the document that you want to duplicate. So I'm going to click on this one. So when you've opened it up, you're going to look into the toolbar and click on File. Scroll down and click on Make a Copy. Then this tab will pop up. So you can rename the copy if you like, or if you want to leave it saying copy, so you know easily to find it, you can just leave it, then click on Make a Copy. The copy document will pop up so you can start editing it right away if you want to, or if you want to edit it later. When you go back to your Google Docs homepage, you will see your copy there. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.